Hi, this is Janice Wendt for Perfectly Clear. This video will be covering the basics of using Perfectly Clear within Adobe's Lightroom. Perfectly Clear will work with Lightroom 3 and higher, including Lightroom 5 and the Creative Cloud. To start out, you'll need to select an image to be corrected. Let's use this image. Now we want to go into the Develop module within Lightroom. The best workflow is to bring all the information from your original file into Perfectly Clear. That involves making all the sliders over on the right-hand side zeroed out. I had done an auto correction in Lightroom earlier, and it made a lot of different adjustments on these sliders. It would take some time to do each one individually. Fortunately for me and for you is that the presets can give me that correction, those zeroing out, with one click. So let's go to Presets over here on the left-hand side. Click on Presets. Let's go down to General Presets. In General Presets, you can go all the way down to Zeroed. Click on Zeroed, and now it has reset this image. This was a cool and rainy day, and I really preferred that dark, rich color from that cool, rainy day. I can see that here, but I need to kick it in with a little detail. So let's see what Perfectly Clear can do. To find Perfectly Clear, go to Photo, Edit in, Perfectly Clear. This interface will be launched when using any plugins within Lightroom. I am working with a RAW file, so it says Edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments. If I'd been working with a TIFF or a JPEG, it might say Edit a copy and Edit original. We want to make sure, though, we are doing a non-destructive workflow, so make sure that you're always editing a copy. That way you save your original so you can always go back to it. Let's click on Edit. Now Lightroom will open up the image in Perfectly Clear. Perfectly Clear is applied a default setting, but I'd like to compare this with the original to see how far it's taken it. Let's go to the Screen mode in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the Compare button, and we can see our before on the left-hand side and our after on the right. We can see we brought up a lot of detail without losing that rich saturation of color in the leaves and my nice deep blacks in the shadows. Perfectly Clear does this by doing corrections pixel by pixel. Now we want to go ahead and save this image because I really like the way Perfectly Clear made this adjustment. So click Save in the lower right-hand corner. Perfectly Clear will process out the image and place it back in your library. Let's click on the library and we'll see that Perfectly Clear has put the new file right next to my original. We'll know which file was edited because the file name will now include a -edit. Perfectly Clear can save a lot of time in my workflow by doing up to 12 corrections in one click. I wanted to thank you for watching this video using Perfectly Clear in Lightroom. For more videos on using Perfectly Clear, go to www.athentech.com.